Hello students, today I will be teaching you all lesson 4 pronouns from your English grammar book, the Grammarite. Students, you all know what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. For examples, I, me, this, those, he, her, himself, and etc. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun and does the work of a noun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a common noun or a proper noun. So, students, you should remember that is the word which can be used to take place of a noun, and the noun to be replaced can be the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. So, pronouns are of different kinds. First, personal pronouns. Second, possessive pronouns. Third, demonstrative pronouns. Fourth, interrogative pronouns. Fifth, reflexive pronouns. Sixth, emphasizing pronouns. Seventh, indefinite pronouns. Eighth, distributive pronouns. And ninth is relative pronouns. Now read these sentences. First, she has invited them for dinner. Second, you can meet me tomorrow. Third, they are buying it from him. Students, you have noticed it there that there are some highlighted words. These highlighted words are pronouns. These are the highlighted pronouns in these sentences that stand in place of a person or a thing. Let's take the first type of pronouns, that is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used in place of names of people, places, and things. It is subdivided into two parts, subject pronouns and object pronouns. So, what is a subject pronoun, class? It's used as subjects in some sentences. Personal pronouns that come in place of the subject in a particular sentence are called subject pronouns. And what are object pronouns? The personal pronouns that come in place of the object in a sentence are called object pronouns. Like if I take examples of subject pronouns, it will be I, you, she, he, we, it, and they. Like example, I live near a school where I will be the subject of this sentence. When I talk about the object pronoun which is used as an object in a particular sentence, like me, you, him, her, them, us, and it. Let's take one example. Our grandparents live with us. Here you can notice the object. Object is us, and that is the object pronoun. So remember, what is the object of the verb? So object of the verb will be people or things that receive the action of the verb will be known as object of the verb. Remember, personal pronouns are so called because they stand for the three persons. Like the pronouns which refers to the person or person speaking are called pronouns of the first person, like I, we, me, us, mine, and ours. The pronouns which refer to the person or persons spoken to are called pronouns of the second person, like you, yours, thou, thee. Also, the pronouns which refer to the person or thing spoken of are called as the pronouns of the third person, like he, she, him, hers, they, them, theirs, and it. The second kind of pronouns are possessive pronouns. What are they? Possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. They indicates or they show who or what owns something. For example, this pen is my pen, not your pen. You can see the highlighted words, and it has been mentioned here in the next sentence, this pen is mine, not yours. My pen has been written mine, and your pen is mentioned as yours. So mine and yours are two possessive pronouns. They can be used in place of possessive nouns or possessive adjectives as well as possessive noun phrase. They do not come before a noun and they stand alone. Students, remember, a possessive pronoun replaces a possessive adjective as well as noun to avoid repeating information that is already clear. Look at another example. This is my laptop. It's mine. Here in this sentence, notice how the possessive adjective mine doesn't change when it comes before a singular noun or plural noun. It is always the same. So, how can we change the sentence to include a possessive pronoun class? When I read the sentence, this is my laptop, what does it become? It's mine. You can notice there is no change. Possessive pronouns also have only one form. It doesn't matter if they refer to one thing or more things. They always remain the same. Keep a note that possessive pronouns are never spelled with apostrophes. In other words, possessive pronouns never use apostrophes. Let's now proceed to the third type of pronouns, that is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out the object or objects for which they are used. This and these refer to things lying near at hand, whereas that and those refer to things lying at a distance. Let us read. This, that, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. We use them to point to specific people or things. When used to represent a thing or things, demonstrative pronouns can be either near or far in distance or time. When we talk about near in time or distance, we use this, that is the singular form, and we use these for plural form. When we talk about such pronouns which is far in time or distance, we use that in singular form and those in plural form. Like the examples mentioned here are singular form, this is an apple. What is the plural form given? These are apples, and it is indicating which are near our reach or the things lying near at hand. The other set of examples are as given, that is an apple and those are apples. The demonstrative pronoun that is singular form and those will be the plural form, and it should be used to replace or modify a noun that is far away in terms of distance or time. The fourth kind of pronouns is an interrogative pronoun. So what is an interrogative pronoun? It is used to begin or introduce interrogative sentences using who, whom, whose, what and which. As you can see in the table mentioned, these interrogative pronouns are being used for various functions, like who and whom are being used for persons. For examples, who won the game yesterday? To whom did you give the book? About whose, when we use the whose interrogative pronouns, we use for persons only to show or belongingness, to show possession, like whose car was parked there just now, whose mother works as a nurse in the hospital. What interrogative pronoun, how will you use? We use it for animals and things, like what animal has horns? What is the color of a hare? Which interrogative pronoun, we will use which form, that is used for persons, animals and things as well. Examples, which boy took my book just now? Which cat stole the fish from the basket. Which is the biggest building in this area? Students, you can notice that whenever we write interrogative sentences or whenever you write interrogative pronouns, you should put a question mark at the end. In other words, interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Students, today we have discussed what are pronouns and their types. Please go through the video and write the definition of pronoun and its types and write the examples as well. I will come back with the rest of the types of pronouns in the next video. Thank you.